Now, Lesson 42. Professor Whiskers here with our Week 6 review. You have completed 6 travel lessons. Lessons 36 through 41. Airport, taxi and Uber, public transport, hotel, asking for help. Emergency phrases. Everything you need for traveling, from arriving at the airport to handling emergencies. Today we do not learn anything new. Today we practice everything. We combine all 6 lessons. We create complete travel scenarios. This is your chance to see how prepared you are, how much you remember, how confident you can be traveling in English. By the end of this review, you will feel ready to travel anywhere, handle any situation. Let us review Week 6, your complete travel toolkit. Cats stay home. But for you traveling humans, this is essential. First, let us quickly review the key vocabulary from all 6 lessons. Lesson 36. Airport, check-in. Boarding pass. Security. Gate. Immigration. Baggage claim. Customs. Can I see your passport? Do you have bags to check? Gate 15. Purpose of visit. Lesson 37. Taxi and Uber. Where to? To the airport, please. How long will it take? How much will it cost? Keep the change. Lesson 38. Public transport. Does this bus go to downtown? Which line goes to the airport? How many stops? Can you tell me when we are there? Lesson 39. Hotel. I have a reservation. What time is breakfast? The Wi-Fi is not working. Can I have extra towels? I would like to check out. Lesson 40. Asking for help. Excuse me. Can you help me? Where can I find? How do I? Do you know? Lesson 41. Emergency phrases. Help. I need a doctor. Call an ambulance. Someone stole my wallet. I lost my passport. That is 6 lessons, a complete travel toolkit. Now let us use them together. Let us create a complete travel day, from landing to sleeping at hotel. Scenario: arriving in London. Your plane lands at Heathrow Airport. You go through immigration. At immigration. Officer: passport, please. You: here you are. Officer: what is the purpose of your visit? You: tourism. Officer: how long are you staying? You: 1 week. Officer: where are you staying? You: at the London Marriott Hotel. Officer: welcome to London. Enjoy your stay. You: thank you. At baggage claim. You collect your luggage. Go through customs. Nothing to declare. Exit airport. And getting a taxi. You see taxi stand. Go to the line. Get in next available taxi. Driver: hello. Where to? You: to the London Marriott Hotel, please. Do you know it? Driver: yes, I know it. On Park Lane? You: yes, that is the one. Driver: should take about 40 minutes. Depends on traffic. You: how much will it cost? Driver: about £60. You: okay. During ride, you look at your phone. Check directions. At the hotel. Driver: here we are. You: thank you. How much? Driver: £58, please. You: here is 60. Keep the change. Driver: thank you. Have a good stay. At hotel check-in. You enter hotel. Go to front desk. Receptionist: Good afternoon. Welcome to the Marriott. How can I help you? You. Hi. I have a reservation. The name is Smith, receptionist. Let me check. Yes, Miss Smith. Double room for 5 nights. Is that correct? You? Yes, that is right. Receptionist. May I see your passport and a credit card, please? You? Here you are. Receptionist processes. Receptionist. Thank you. You are in room 512 on the 5th floor. Here are your key cards. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. on the ground floor. Wi-Fi code is on this card. You need help with luggage? No, I am fine. Thank you. Receptionist. Elevators are to your right. Enjoy your stay. In your room. You enter room. Comfortable. But you notice the AC is not very cold. You call front desk. Hello. This is room 512. The air conditioning is not working well. It is not very cold. Receptionist. I apologize. I will send maintenance to check it right away. You. Thank you. Evening exploration. You want to explore the area. Go to front desk. You. Excuse me. Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby? Receptionist. Yes. There is an excellent Italian restaurant 2 streets away. Piccadilly Restaurant. You. How do I get there? Receptionist. Go out the front door, turn right, walk 2 blocks, turn left. You will see it on the right. You. Thank you very much. This was day 1. Airport to hotel, using lessons 36, 37, 39, and 40. Immigration, taxi, check-in, room problem, asking for help. All combined naturally. Let us create a problem day. Things go wrong. How to handle it. Scenario. Problems in London. You are having breakfast at the hotel. You reach for your bag. It is not there. Your wallet is gone. Someone took it from your bag. Reporting to hotel. You go to front desk immediately. You. Excuse me. I have a problem. Someone took my wallet. It was in my bag at breakfast. Receptionist. I am very sorry to hear that. When did you notice? You. Just now. Maybe 10 minutes ago. Receptionist. Let me call security. We will check the cameras. You should also report this to the police. You. Yes, I need to do that. Where is the nearest police station? Receptionist. On Baker Street. About 10 minutes walk. Or I can call you a taxi. You. Please call a taxi. Thank you. At the police station. You. Hello? I need to report a theft. Officer. What was stolen? You. My wallet. It had my credit cards and about £100 in cash. Officer. When? Where did this happen? You. This morning. Around 9 a.m. At the Marriott Hotel restaurant. Officer. I will file a report. Can you list everything that was in the wallet? You. 2 credit cards. Visa and MasterCard. £100 cash. My driver's license. A photo of my family. Officer. Did you see who took it? You? No, I did not see anyone. Officer fills out report. Officer. Here is your police report. You will need this for your insurance. Also, call your bank immediately to cancel those cards. You. Yes, I will. Thank you. Calling your bank. You. Hello. I need to report stolen credit cards. Bank. I will help you with that. What is your name and card number? You give information. Bank. I am canceling both cards now. We can send new cards to your hotel, or you can pick them up at our London branch. You. I will pick them up. Where is your branch? Bank. Oxford Street. I will send you the address. You. Thank you. Back at hotel. Asking for help. You return to hotel. Go to front desk. You. Excuse me. I reported the theft. I have the police report. But now I need to find your nearest bank branch and the American Embassy. Can you help me? Receptionist. Of course. Let me print you directions to both. Here you are. I am very sorry this happened. Is there anything else we can do? You. No, thank you. You have been very helpful. This was a problem day. Using lessons 40 and 41. Reporting theft. Police station. Canceling cards. asking for help. Multiple situations combined. Let us add public transport. Day 4, exploring the city. Scenario: exploring by subway. You want to visit the British Museum. Decide to take the tube. London subway. At the tube station, you approach ticket machine. A bit confused. Excuse me, can you help me? How do I use this machine? Person: sure. Where are you going? British Museum. Person: okay. Select single journey. Then select Russell Square Station. That is nearest to the museum. How much is it? Person: about £5. Thank you so much. Buy ticket. Go through gates. Look at map. Excuse me, which line goes to Russell Square? Person: Piccadilly line. Platform 2. That way. Thank you. On the platform. You wait. Train arrives. You get on. To person next to you. Excuse me. How many stops to Russell Square? Person: 4 stops. I will tell you when we are there. Thank you. That is very kind. After 4 stops. Person: next stop is Russell Square. Thank you so much. Exiting the station. You get off. Look for exit. Excuse me. Which exit for the British Museum? Staff: take exit 2. Turn left. When you get outside. 5-minute walk. Perfect. Thank you. This used lesson 38 and 40. Public transport plus asking for help. People in London generally help tourists. Most cities are the same. Let us practice a medical scenario. Hope you never need this, but important to practice. Scenario: feeling sick. Day 5. You wake up feeling terrible. Fever, stomach pain. Calling hotel front desk. This is room 512. I am not feeling well. I think I need to see a doctor. Receptionist: I am sorry to hear that. What is wrong? I have a fever and stomach pain. It is quite bad. Receptionist: I will call a doctor for you. Or can take you to the hospital if you prefer. Can a doctor come to the hotel? Receptionist: yes, I will arrange it. The doctor will be there in about 30 minutes. Thank you. Doctor arrives. Doctor: hello, I am Dr. Williams. What seems to be the problem? I have a fever and severe stomach pain. Since this morning. Doctor: let me examine you. Does it hurt here? Presses stomach. Yes. Ow, that hurts. Doctor: have you eaten anything unusual? I had seafood yesterday evening. Doctor: might be food poisoning. I will prescribe some medicine. If you do not feel better in 24 hours, go to the hospital. Here is the prescription. Where can I get this medicine? Doctor: there is a pharmacy 2 blocks from here. Show them this prescription. Thank you, doctor. How much do I owe you? Doctor: £80, please. You pay. Doctor: feel better. Rest today. At the pharmacy. You go to pharmacy. Hello? I need this medicine, please. Pharmacist: this is for stomach infection. Take 1 tablet 3 times a day with food. Okay. How much? Pharmacist: £25. You pay. Return to hotel. Rest. This combined lessons 40, 41, and bits of 37. Medical situation. Getting help. Pharmacy. Asking questions. Scary situation, but you handled it in English. Let us review critical emergency phrases one more time. Rapid fire practice. Medical emergencies. Help. I need a doctor. Call an ambulance. I am hurt. I cannot breathe. I have severe pain. Where's the hospital? I'm allergic to penicillin. Theft and lost items. Someone stole my wallet. I lost my passport. I need to report a theft. Where is the police station? I would like to file a report asking for urgent help. This is an emergency. Please help me. I need help right now. Can someone call for help? Lost child. Help. I cannot find my child. My son is missing. He's 5 years old. Wearing a blue shirt. Say these out loud right now. Practice them. Hope you never need them, but be prepared. Big review homework. This tests everything from week 6. Task 1. Write a complete travel day story. From airport to hotel, to exploring, to returning to hotel. Use vocabulary from at least 4 of the 6 lessons. Land at airport, immigration, get taxi, check into hotel, ask for tourist information, take bus to museum, return to hotel, report a problem, get help. Task 2. Practice this complete conversation sequence out loud. Play both roles, at immigration, at taxi, at hotel check-in, calling reception about problem, asking for help finding something. Practice until it feels natural. Task 3. In the comments, write about a complete travel day, real or imaginary. Where you arrive, how you get to your hotel, one thing you do, and how you handle one small problem. Example: I arrived in Paris. At immigration, they asked about my hotel. I took a taxi to my hotel. The driver was very nice. At the hotel, I checked in easily, but my room was too noisy, so I asked to change rooms. They gave me a quieter room. Then I asked the front desk how to get to the Eiffel Tower. Share your travel day story in English. Use week 6 vocabulary. In lesson 43, we'll continue part 4, at the doctor, describing symptoms, understanding prescriptions, pharmacy conversations, more detailed medical English, beyond emergencies, regular health situations. But today you reviewed all of week 6. 6 lessons, complete travel English, from airport to emergency. You can navigate airports, check in at hotels, take taxis and buses, ask for help anywhere, handle emergencies if they happen. That is comprehensive travel preparation. Think about when you started this course. Lesson 1. The alphabet. Greetings. Numbers. Now look at you. Lesson 42. Complete travel conversations. Complex scenarios. Real-world situations. You have come so far. 42 lessons completed. 18 lessons remaining. You are more than 2/3 done. Part 4 continues with more practical life skills. Doctor. Ink. Phone calls. Shopping for clothes. Post office. Real situations. Real conversations. Real confidence. Week 6 covered the scariest part of travel, being in a foreign place, not knowing what to say. Now you know what to say. In airports, in taxis, in hotels, when asking for help, even in emergencies. That is powerful. Travel is not just about seeing places. It is about connecting with people, understanding cultures, experiencing life. Language makes that possible. You have the language now, at least for these essential situations. Keep practicing. Keep learning. Keep improving. Week 7 starts tomorrow. Safe travels, wherever you go. Meow.